I got monetized on YouTube just a month ago, so in this video, I'm going to talk about all the earnings that I've earned from my YouTube channel with Google AdSense, affiliate income to YouTube sponsorships. And I'm also going to go through all of my YouTube analytics, so let's go through my YouTube AdSense first. And as you can see right here, the very first day I got monetized was January 27th, and I'm doing my earnings to February 27th, so in my first 30 days, I earned $101 in revenue from Google AdSense. And from my understanding, YouTube does take a portion of your earnings, but this is what I earned after that. So after YouTube takes their cut, I earned $101 in my first month, and I can't complain about this at all because I did see that once you get into the Google Ads program, for you to get paid out, you have to have at least $100. So this makes it perfect to where this will then get paid out to me, hopefully in the middle of March. I haven't gotten fully paid out yet, so I'm still learning everything, but this is what I earned with Google AdSense, and with this, I generated 93,000 total views between shorts, between my long form views, and with my highest view day on January 30th coming to 4,144 views. And in this time period, I earned 326 subscribers, which I'm super grateful for. So if any of you are watching this video and you're interested in making money online, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, because on this channel, I like to show you guys how to make money with clipping, video editing, and even stuff like this with a YouTube channel you can make for your own personal brand. And just with long form views, I got 20,000 views and over 159,000 impressions, which comes to an 8% click-through rate. And I asked ChatGPT if this was good, and it did say this was on the good side of the percentage, so I can't complain about that at all. And with the majority of my views coming from YouTube Shorts, I earned 73,000 views. And for my Shorts, I gained 67 subscribers from. And it's very interesting to see that I earned only 67 subscribers from YouTube Shorts, and the rest came from my long-form YouTube videos. So now I'm at the revenue tab, and this is just the specifics of my revenue, and it's very interesting to see all this with being my first time ever getting monetized on YouTube. And my highest day came to $5.67 on February 23rd, and just from looking at every single day, it really ranges from like $2 to $5 a day. And as someone who's a small content creator, I can't complain about this at all, because this isn't income that I'm relying on to pay my bills. This is just extra income I can use to reinvest into my YouTube channel with YouTube thumbnails and stuff like that. And it's very interesting to see, from my long form videos, I earned $95 from, and from my shorts specifically, I earned $6 from. So keep that in mind, that when you get into this program as a small content creator, you're going to make more money from your long form content. So just keep that in mind, unless if you're somehow getting millions of views on your YouTube short videos. So now I'm going to talk about the sponsorships in my first month, and I landed a total of 2. And this is a screenshot of proof from the first sponsorship that I did, and this was for one video. And when I say there are companies that will pay you a lot of money if you have a very niche down audience. You don't need a big audience, but if you have a decent sized audience, but not some ginormous one, you can get paid still a decent amount of money, because there are companies out there that are looking for niche down communities. And so that's where these companies will then reach out to content creators like myself or other YouTubers like you. So for me, I make content about making money online with clipping, video editing, stuff like that. And so that's where companies come to me and they pitch their product to me. And let me say, guys, I do get a lot of messages about sponsorships, and I do not take every single one, because you want to really do your due diligence, check out the product that is being pitched to you. And if it's really something you don't believe in, or if you just wouldn't use yourself, do not promote it on your YouTube channel, because at the end of the day, you want to give value to your audience. And so this is from my first sponsorship earlier in the month of February. And here's another screenshot from another sponsored video, and this was actually half of the payment. So depending on the companies you work with, sometimes companies will mention they will pay you after the video's all done. For myself, I don't want to get screwed, so I want to at least get paid all up front, or tell the company I need at least 50% up front for me to continue with this, because I'm sure there's people out there that have gotten screwed with filming a full video, editing it, then potentially almost posting it, and then the company ghosts them, and then all that time is wasted. So that is something you do not want to do. So at least try to get 50% up front before at least filming and scripting your video. And that honestly will give you more motivation for the sponsored video partnership as you're making it, because you already received half up front, so you know everything's legit. Another source is affiliate income. And pretty much affiliate income is when you have links in your description, and when viewers click that link, they make a purchase off of it, you earn a commission. So for my instance, with Opus Clip, I get paid about 20% per commission off the plans people purchase. This is a clipping tool right here that helps turn your long form content into shorts. And so for the month of February, I earned $41 from this. And so for me, I am promoting things that have to do with my audience. And so you can do the same thing with yourself if you post clothing content, cooking content. Maybe you make similar content like me, making money online with video editing, stuff like that. You want to promote tools that can give value to your audience, and then your audience will then purchase off of your link. And so that's what I did here with Opus Pro. And same thing with this tool right here with Clipwave. People click my link, they sign up. This was actually a free platform right here. And for the very first month with them, I generated this company 62 referrals. So that's just the basis of affiliate marketing. Really, anyone can do it, but you aren't going to make a ton of money with this. This is just going to be subtle, smaller income, maybe upwards to $100 as a small content creator like myself. And so really, this is my journey with YouTube. And I posted for over a year on my YouTube channel, and I didn't get paid at all, not with Google Ads, not with sponsors. And as I'm going down my YouTube channel, all these videos that you guys see right here up until last January, I did not get paid for anything for a full year, because if you're not in Google AdSense, that will not accumulate before you get in. So once you get into the Google AdSense program, then you can monetize all your videos. So then you can start making money on your older videos. That's essentially how it works. So it does really help with having a lot of videos on my channel. So really, this has just been my YouTube journey, and I love sharing this with you all. So if you guys have any questions regarding getting monetized on YouTube, or anything with making money on YouTube with affiliate income, with sponsorships, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'd love to help all of you out. And some other important things you want to keep in mind is your video itself does matter, but that's not the most important thing to get clicks on your video. You really want to focus on your titles and your thumbnails. And sometimes I'll use ChatGPT just for inspiration, just to get more ideas on my specific titles. I'll just give it the subject of the video and I'll get ideas from that. And then also you can make your own thumbnails in apps like Canvas on your Google Chrome. Use Photoshop. You could use Premiere Pro. Honestly, whatever's easiest for you guys. And some of these thumbnails I've designed myself. Some thumbnails I've paid thumbnail designers for, just to really compare and contrast of what performs well and what doesn't. And something to also keep in mind is that you can do A/B testing for your titles. And so here's a YouTube video from myself that I posted a few weeks ago. And you can put 3 different titles to compare, and you can make it a test. And within a few weeks, you will then get the results back and see what was clicked the most. So definitely do this, which can really help your videos. And then you can see what performs the best. So as you can see right here, this first title got 27% watch time share. This next one got 35%. And then this last title right here got 37%. And so obviously for your highest percentage of watch time, you want to set that as your title option. So that's what I'm going to do right here for this video. I'm going to set it. And now I got a new title for my video that I know is going to perform very well just based off that test right there. And from the very first day of getting monetized till now, I'm at $117 in total revenue. And as you can see in the last 90 days, I've generated over 200,000 views on my YouTube channel. Extremely grateful for this. And with getting almost 3,000 watch hours, that's the most important part. Get the watch hours on your YouTube channel. You really have to stay consistent with your long form content, or even go live on your channel, which will help you get more watch hours. So really, thank you for the support on my YouTube channel. And I also have a free Discord community in the description down below that you can join. So if you have any specific questions, make sure you ask them in there, and I would love to help you out. I really appreciate you guys watching this video, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to join my journey with making money online with my YouTube channel, with clipping, with video editing. Really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.